Alright everyone, today we are installing running boards on the 2018 Jeep Unlimited JL model. These will not fit the JK. Only tools we're going to need for the Mopar running boards are a 10 and 13 millimeter. Hardware is included. Mopar, made in Canada. So we took the one big box out already, but this is what it's going to look like. It comes packaged by itself. And the one other box will have the hardware in it. FCA must have changed the mounting points from the JL to the JK. I can't find a lot of JL running boards. If you have a low profile creeper, you should be able to do this without lifting the Jeep up. Each side of the Jeep has 6 holes in which the frame rail will hook up to. Alright, now the trick is to line these studs up first with the receiving holes.
Oh.
Yeah, get them. Yeah, exactly. Want to make sure those threads are all the way through. And then we're going to take these 6 guys right here. And we're going to go around from the back. And this is what you want to do first. You want to essentially squeeze this right here. You want to squeeze it to the frame rail before you attach the larger 13 mils. Because the 13 millimeters, as you can see here, are going to lock that into place. So if you tighten this 13 millimeter first and then try to squeeze these to the rails, it's going to be holding this and you're not going to get proper squeeze on the rails, if that makes any sense. So definitely the other problem we're going to have here is 9.5 foot-pounds. Torque wrenches generally don't go that low. Mine goes to 10, and it's even tough then to really make sure that you have the proper torque. So what I would suggest on these, because 9.5 foot-pounds, you can definitely exert that by yourself. You don't have to be a He-Man. 9.5 foot-pounds is not a tall task. But what you want to do here is you want to make sure that these have no gap in between here. Like, see how this can move up still a little bit like that? You want to make sure as you tighten these that you're moving this bar to get the correct amount of tension. And then take a 10 millimeter. And then you can just start tightening these bolts fully. Now, don't go too nuts on them, because 9.5 foot-pounds, the last thing you would want to do is He-Man torque this thing, use a torque wrench or something like that, and exert way too much torque, and find yourself in a bit of a pickle with your brand new Mopar frame rails. Mopar frame rails.
You're wiggling.
Yeah, for sure. Whoa, when the creepers are rocking, don't come a knocking. Of these larger bolts right here, right through here. Start it off by hand. Make sure that you're not cross-threading it. If you start it off by hand and the first couple turns have a lot of tension on them, you probably cross-threaded it. Back it out and just try and start it again. Set the 3 13 millimeters to 20 foot-pounds and you're all set. Ready to go. Time to test them.
Bird poop off my screen.
Okay. You're good. You're okay. You look super cute.
So I can do it. Look. Oh. I can close it.
Watch your hand.
I got it. It's easier with the window down.
Yay. Personally, I think they look so much more complete and they serve a great function too. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe. See you later, everyone. Bye-bye.